In December 2025, India replaced the old Rural Jobs Law, MGNREGA, with a new law called the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Act 2025. This new act was approved by Parliament and received the President's assent on December 21st, 2025. It builds on more than 60 years of India's experience with rural employment programs, starting from early schemes in the 1960s and gradually evolving into a legal right to work under MGNREGA in 2005. MGNREGA was an important step because it gave rural people a legal right to demand work and made the government responsible for providing it. The new act increases the guaranteed wage employment from 100 days to 125 days in a year for every rural household whose adult members are willing to do unskilled manual work. Its aim is not only to provide income support, but also to link employment with long-term rural development under the national vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047. The focus is on creating useful and durable assets so that villages become stronger, more productive, and more resilient. Under this law, rural works are planned in a more organized way through village-level plans prepared by Gram Panchayats. Different government schemes are expected to work together instead of running separately so that funds and efforts are used more efficiently. The jobs created under the scheme are linked to 4 main areas. These include water-related works like irrigation, water conservation, and groundwater recharge, basic rural infrastructure such as roads, public buildings, sanitation, renewable energy, and housing, livelihood-related assets for farming, livestock, fisheries, storage, markets, and skills, and special works to deal with disasters and extreme weather, such as floods, droughts, and forest fires. The Act also introduces stronger use of technology. Payments, planning, and monitoring are supported by digital systems, real-time dashboards, mobile tracking, biometric verification, and social audits. These steps are meant to reduce corruption, improve transparency, and ensure timely payments to workers. If eligible workers do not get work within the required time, the state government must pay an unemployment allowance. Funding is shared between the center and the states, mostly in a 60-40 ratio, with special support for northeastern Himalayan states and union territories, while the new law offers higher employment days and better planning. Some concerns remain, such as higher financial responsibility for states and a more centralized approach. Overall, the scheme aims to support rural incomes, reduce distress migration, and create stronger villages, while recognizing that long-term progress depends on creating better-paying jobs beyond wage employment schemes. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And before you leave, don't forget to answer this question in the comments below. Question: which of the following is not a priority area under the Act? A. Water conservation. B. Core rural infrastructure. C. Urban metro projects. D. Disaster management works.